next level Christmas decoration. It fooled everyone completely.
Wait. Your mom's right here. Are you okay? Holy moly. Я вот сюда. Я прошу прощения. Como cuando tu familia no te quiere, va mejor el perro adelante.
The dog sits in the front VIP seat, clearly proving it has higher value in the family than this boy.
Y el perro ya está tipo puesto, güey.
This dog has endless patience, staying by his elderly owner's side at every slow step.
Det er dygtig jo. Nej, ikke mere. Du har nok på. Tag noget af det der. Du har masser på.
Come on, move. Move. Easy. Easy.
Se, nu tegner du på farve. Sådan. Hvad farve skal du så tegne?
This AI-powered optical robot
Papa,
What?
he said green.
Green?
He said green. Papa, green.
Hvorfor det? Ja, okay.
Papa is not listening.
Green.
He's focused to the TV.
No, green. It is laughing. Yeah.